Alright, so hello everybody. It's time to queue up another Feature Friday. We're going to talk about safety plans in Application Suite 9.1 Manage. We're going to start out with what they look like in the Technician mobile application, and then I'll show you how to build a couple of them. Alright, so let's start with the My Schedule or the Technician application. Upper left corner, I'm going to push on that tile, and it opens up my work orders. And the first thing that you'll notice is the very first work order there in the lower left corner. There is an icon with a 2 above it. So this work order has a safety plan assigned to it, and if I push on that icon in the lower left corner, I can see what the safety plan is, the hazardous materials I may run into, the protection I need to take, and then certainly the hazards as well. And you can see the blue check mark there is an indicator as to whether I, as a field person, have reviewed that safety plan or not. So that's the end result. Let's take a look at how to build these. Okay, so let's see what we need to do behind the scenes. So I am in Manage 9.1, and I'm going to go over to the planning area. So here's planning, here's safety, and the first thing I'm going to do is make sure that I have hazards and precautions already defined. I'm going to start with hazards, and you can see that I already have several hazards already built here into the system. I'm going to choose sulfuric acid, and of course if I didn't have any I would need to build those. So I choose sulfuric acid, and I can indicate whether it has precautions or hazardous materials as well. I can fill out the health, inflammability, reactivity, and contact information there as well. If there's a SDS form, I can indicate that as well. And then if I have precautions in the system, I'm able to indicate the precautions that we are expecting people to take when working with this hazard of sulfuric acid. And it's that simple. As long as you've got your hazards and precautions in order, then you can start building your safety plans. In order to build the safety plan, again, you go back over to Planning and Safety and Safety Plans, and I have already built a safety plan here called Freight. I'm working on some trucks, and you give it a unique identifier, you give it a description as you wish, and the work assets that it is going to be related to. In this case I've got those 4 Freightliners, and then I start to indicate the hazards and their precautions that are related to this safety plan. And here you can see the sulfuric acid one has got the 2 precautions there. And if there are hazardous materials and tagouts I need to do, I also identify that there as well. Okay, so now let us go and create a work order. We will do it the hard way with the traditional application, and I'm going to create a work order here, and I'm going to point to one of those Freightliners. And down here and towards the bottom of the work order, I can choose a safety plan. And I have to page through here to find my safety plan. And there it is. And when I click Save for the work order, and I go to the Safety Plan tab, I can see that everything from the safety plan has been populated into the work order. Also note some of these actions over here on the left hand side, where you can remove the safety plan, and you can also select additional safety hazards if you like. So that's pretty easy. Create a safety plan, attach it to a work order, and you're good to go. Alright, so now if I want to have the safety plan come into the work order by way of a job plan, this is how you do it. So I'm going to jump over to planning and then job plans. I do have a job plan already built here, and I'm going to go ahead and choose it. So I would create a new one, and then I'm going to focus on the work assets that are related to the job plan. And here's the assets, and then for each asset I would choose the safety plan that we wish to have related to it when we do work. So then the next step, of course, is to change the status of the job plan to make sure that it is active. Now, when we go to create a work order, and again I'm going to do it the hard way here with the traditional app, I create a work order, and I'm going to do that for one of the Freightliners as well. And when I roll down to the job plan and find my Freightliner job plan, and you notice that I have job plans that are related to the asset. Very good. Then I go ahead and save this work order. When I go to the Safety Plan tab, I will see the pieces of the safety plan come in by way of the job plan. Well, there you go. Hopefully that was helpful. Stay current, my friends.